making shit happen. Welcome guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. On our way to Pattaya Thailand. Let's see what it has to offer. Let's go.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out.
I'm on it so. Yeah man, I'm gonna get you man, I'm gonna get one. Soon. I suggest renting a motorcycle if you want to see as much as possible or do as much as possible. It's very affordable and make sure you have an international license. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the town first. I'm going to go to the liquor store and put stand in a seat and then walk to the place and go back and then just left. You understand? What do you think? No, the walking one, you want it right on us up. I don't want them to talk about man. But it's no liquor, so we can just stop at 7-Eleven and come back. And just get to all the something, you understand? These bikes you see on the left are bike taxis. What brother wanna?
My bike left.
Yeah. So what do just park right beside it? Huh? Right this up and then go across. Go. We are currently at the Sanctuary of Truth, which is like 20 minutes from the hotel. So don't forget to check out the video I already posted about this museum right here called the Sanctuary of Truth. It's already posted on my YouTube page. Make sure you guys check it out, okay?
We have construction going on inside. So I'm going to walk you all around first at our workshop so that you can see the hands-on nature of the work, how the museum construction is done here manually. Are you all ready?
So we're about to enter the workshop. In this area you'll see craftsmen and women, carpenters here working, creating pieces that will be added to the Sanctuary of Truth.
Alright? This is the original model of the museum. So this is made of entirely woods by 1 to 10 scale. 1 centimeter here, 10 centimeter there. And this is where all the artworks are demonstrated before we conduct the real work. Our museum is different than other places because we do not use concrete nails to lock the woods together. That is because we do not finish that part. However, as you go inside, you're going to see some parts of the woods with all the nails, but they are only temporary. So they use the concrete nails to temporarily fix it, fit it together. Once it can hold on its own, they're going to remove that, and this is what we replace. About 2 or 3 pieces of wood to join them together, and most of the times they only use the glue to hold it stronger. At the top is a carrying pole to carry the weight, so that this will not be moved.
Apart from the tour, they have elephant rides, they have a mini zoo, massage, speedboats, rowing boats, horse carriage, horseback riding. There's a lot more to offer there. You just gotta go there and check it out for yourself.
Gotta get a review from All About Macintosh, man. What do you think?
Good man. Spicy though. Yeah, man. You did it? So we did a full day package with P.TEN Travel. I'll leave the information in the description below. Rough sea, rough sea. The rough sea right now. Ah. Hold it, boy. The house here at the Coral Island, you know, making it do what it do. Huh?
No chicken and shrimp.
But I must say, piece of it will give food.
Hey. Passion fruit one.
There are a lot of vendors on the island, local vendors to include places here you can rent bikes, motorbikes that you can use to travel around the island, go sightseeing, have better view of the beach, and have more experiences. You're about to leave Pattaya right now.
Taxi?
Okay, one minute.
Oh, okay.
Oh, big car.
Oh,
What's up, man?
so, okay, what's up?
You love Thailand?
Love, love.
Oh, ขอบคุณครับ
Beautiful, very beautiful
Yeah.
country.
You go Thailand first time, 3 time, 5 time,
2 times.
2 time,
3 times, 3 times.
3 time. Okay.